गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग सभी। आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड एंड डूइंग वेल। तो चलिए आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कंप्यूटर मॉक 4। जो भी आरआरबी का स्टूडेंट जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, जो स्टूडेंट हैं आरआरबी के, उन लोग के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन होने वाला है। तो स्टे ट्यून विथ अस एंड डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डू लाइक आवर चैनल। ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स कंटिन्यू कंप्यूटर मॉक 4। First question. Does ensure secure transfer of data over an unsecured network such as the internet? Answer is cryptography. Next question. Which among the following is a utility program that will clean the disk space by fragmenting and rearranging data to utilize the space properly? Option is disk space utility, disk defragmenter, disk function, disk drive function, disk driver function. Right answer is disk defragmenter. DICE is a superset of keywords, symbol and a system of rules for constructing statement by which human can communicate the instruction to be executed by a computer. Option is a computer program, a programming language, an assemble computer I/O device. None of these. The right answer is a programming language. What is the term given to software that has so many features that it requires considerable disk space and memory resources to run? Option is spyware, freeware, bloatware, adware, delayware. Right answer is bloatware. DICE is the application of investigation and analysis technique to gather and preserve evidence from a particular computing device in a way that is suitable for presentation in a court of law. Option is robotics, animation, simulation, computer forensic. None of this. Right answer is computer forensic. Next question. Which of the following can be termed as end user program that enables the user to complete tasks such as creating documents, spreadsheet, etc.? Option is system software, web browser, hyperlink, application software, or none of the above. The right answer is application software. Next question. Question number 7. A collection of information organized into interrelated tables of data and specification of data object is known as process data, database, physical layer, router, repeater. The right answer is physical layer. In case of card transaction, the bank first sends the confirmation to the merchant before the transaction becomes complete. Which among the following is the process followed by banks in the system? Light processing, batch processing, utilizing processing, definite processing, or none of the above. The right answer is batch processing. The icons on the dice are organized according to function and according to the most commonly used command in MS Word. Option is GUI, icon layout, toolbars, windows. None of these. The right answer is toolbars. A device that not only provides surge protection but also furnishes the computer with battery backup power during a power outage is battery strip, UPS, surge strip, USB, memory. Right answer is UPS. Which among the following search engine is a search tool that uses another search engine's data to produce their own result from the internet? Option is Meta, individual, directory, subject directory. None of these. The right answer is Meta. HBD is a user interface that connects to data and application which are installed on a cloud service provider server. D in HBD stands for digital, domain, desktop, dynamic, discrete. The right answer is desktop. DICE is a language translator whose source language is an assembly language and target language is a binary language. Option is loader, linker, macroprocessor, assembler, and interpreter. The right answer is interpreter. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation program? Machine language, C hash language, high level language, C++ language, high level language, C language, none of these. The right answer is machine language. Which one is an optical disc storage medium designed to recapture the data normally in a DVD format? Compact disc, digital video disc, Blu-ray disc, floppy disk, none of these. The right answer is Blu-ray disc. Which one performs simply an informal way of describing a program and it does not follow any syntax statically? Option is mnemonic, opcode, pseudocode, operand, or none of these. The right answer is pseudocode. Which among the following reports all the error of the program along with the line number? Option is assembler, compiler, interpreter, linker, loader. Answer is assembler. DAS is an early packet switching network and the first network to complement the protocol suite. CNNet, ARPANET, ASAPNET, and SFNET. Right answer is ARPANET. To navigate to a new web page for which you know the URL, type that URL in the browser and dice and press enter. Name button, home, address bar, domain bar, or none of these. Right answer is address bar. A detailed written description of the programming cycle and the program along with the test results and a printout of the program is called reporting, documentation, output, special sheet, none of these. The right answer is documentation. DICE are specially designed computer chips that reside inside other devices such as your car or your electronic thermostat. The option is server, embedded system, client system, robotic application, none of these. The right answer is embedded system. DICE ensures that originators of message cannot refuse they are not sender of the message. Authentication, integrity, access control, non-repudiation, or none of these. The right answer is access control. A DICE typically connects personal computer within a very limited geographical area, usually within a single building, that is LAN. Which of the following is used in icons and menus displayed on the screen to send command to the computer system? System utility, API, GUI, user interface, or none of these? The right answer is user interface. By which using which of the following key the exciting document can be saved in another name in the Microsoft Word? File, tool, save as, or none of these? The right answer is save as. The box that is displayed to indicate that the text, picture, or object are placed in it is called placeholder, auto text, text box, word art, or none of these? Text box. Which one of the following is the line once visited can be saved in the favorite or preference categories? Cookies, history, bookmark, downloads, none of these. The right answer is bookmark. DICE is where your files are permanently stored on your computer. Also, normally your operating system is installed here. CD drive, floppy drive, hard disk drive, all of these, none of these. The right answer is hard disk drive. DICE terminal, formerly known as cash register, are often connected to complex inventory and sales computer system. Option is data, point of sale, sales, query, none of these. The right answer is point of sale. Which number system is commonly used as shortcut notation for groups of our binary digit? Binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, hexadecimal. Which one of the following tree contains the maximum or possible number of nodes at all levels except a leaf? That is by option is binary, full binary, complete binary, extended binary, or none of these. The right answer is full binary. A type of instruction that can produce several lines of machine language code is called a DICE. Mnemonic, address, macro, assemble, none of these. The right answer is macro. The time taken by the hard drive of a computer to locate a file in the system is known as execution time, hard drive time, access time, or other than those given in the option. The right answer is access time. Which among the following key can be used as a shortcut to rename a folder in Microsoft Windows 8 and higher version? F2, F4, F6, F9, F11. The right answer is F2. What is the term used to refer to a word present on the website which when clicked takes the user to another page or website? Anchor, hyperlink, reference, URL. The right answer is hyperlink. Which of the following feature of PowerPoint allows you to copy the animation from one object and apply on another object? Format printer, painter, copy and paste, animation painter, transition. And the right answer is animation painter. Which among the following is a command of the data control language, a subdivision of structured query language or SQL? Truncate, rename, update, select, revoke. The right answer is revoke. Dash is a low-level code that defines how a microprocessor should function when it executes machine language instruction. Macro code, mini code, small code, primary code or alpha code. The right answer is macro code. Which of the following program is run by BIOS to check hardware components are working properly while computer is turned on? Option is post, DMOS, CMOS, RIP, none of the above. The right answer is post. Which of the following layer is responsible for converting electrical impulse to bit stream? Presentation, physical, data link, network, नन ऑफ दिस. राइट आंसर इज प्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है, तो चलिए आज हम लोग का ये 5th मॉक हो गया, कंप्यूटर मॉक. तो चलिए देखते हैं, स्कोर चेक करते हैं. आउट ऑफ 40 कितना स्कोर किए हैं. आप लोग भी बताइए कितना स्कोर किए हैं, कमेंट में ज़रूर अपना स्कोर शेयर कीजिएगा. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं, सबमिट करते हैं स्कोर. तो रिजल्ट देख लीजिए, 31.25 मार्क्स स्कोर आया है. 14th रैंक है. परसेंटाइल 97.74% है. एक्यूरेसी आज लगता है ज़्यादा गलत हो गया. चलिए सॉल्यूशन चेक करते हैं, कितना क्वेश्चन गलत किए हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 क्वेश्चन आज रॉन्ग हुआ है मेरा. चलिए देखते हैं. A collection of information organized into interrelated tables of data and specification of data object is known as database. ठीक है, इसका database हो जाएगा. और हम लोग फिजिकल लेयर किए थे, database आंसर होगा. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. और फिर कौन सा रॉन्ग हुआ. डैश इज अ लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेटर हुज सोर्स लैंग्वेज इज एन असेंबली लैंग्वेज एंड टारगेट लैंग्वेज इज इन अ बाइनरी मशीन लैंग्वेज. असेंबलर. इसका आंसर राइट हो जाएगा असेंबलर. चलिए. Which among the following reports all the errors of the program along with the line number? Compiler. इसका राइट आंसर होगा कंपाइलर. Dash ensures that originators of message cannot refuse they are not sender of the message. Right answer is non-repudiation. Which of the following is used in icons and menus displayed on the screen to send command to the computer system? GUI. Right answer is GUI. The box that is displayed to indicate that the text, picture or objects are placed in it is called placeholder. ठीक है, चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेयर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कन्वर्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्स टू बीट स्ट्रीम? राइट आंसर इज फिजिकल. तो ये आज हम लोग का कंप्यूटर मॉक रहा. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट डे. चलिए, तो फिर से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. जो नए आए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा. वीडियो कैसा लगा बताइए कमेंट करके, और अपना स्कोर ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा. ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.